This video will show you how to use and save the Google Docs that are shared with you in microbiology. So hopefully if you're in our microbiology SDT rotation when you come to your VERGE biology course, this is approximately what you see. You'll usually be able to get to your assignments through this tasks bar over here. I unfortunately can't see those tasks since I'm a teacher, but hopefully they'll be there for you. I'll also send everything out in an email and post it as an announcement on VERGE with the day's assignments linked at the bottom of the announcement. However, just in case you can't find that, to get to your assignments, you would go to Resources, Spring 2020 Resources, Microbiology, Microbiology VLAs, and then the appropriate day. Now, if you haven't yet, I do advise you to read the What to Expect document for here in microbiology. But let's say you've read that, we'll come to day one. Again, hopefully by this point you've already done the Introduction to Protists lecture, taken the notes and uploaded them. So let's show you how to use the Google Docs. So all of our virtual labs are going to be shared with you as Google Docs. So let's click on today's virtual lab. And you will come to this landing page, right? So for this one, we're going on a virtual microscopic dive into a jar of pond water. For all of these, you're going to have multiple options for how to complete and submit. Honestly, the easiest is just to do it in Google Docs and then submit that link back to me or submit it as a PDF. You can also print out the labs, handwrite your answers in, and then scan those pages and send them to me, or write your answers on a separate sheet of paper, scan and send it to me. Any of those is fine as long as I can read it and it is complete. So let's go to today's lab. We'll click on our Google Doc link. Now, when you get to yours, I can edit mine because I'm the one who made it. But when you get to it, you're not going to be able to type into it. And you'll be very tempted to email me and ask for edit access, which I'm not going to give you. We keep it set at view only for you guys as students so that we're not all typing into the same document, which would get really confusing and messy really fast. So how you use this, you're going to come over to File, click on File, make a copy, right? Then where it says copy of, you're going to take that out and type in your last name. So if my last name was Smith, I type in Smith and then the rest of the title, Protist Pond Water Virtual Lab. Okay. You'd hit OK. And then that takes you to your copy of it. You'll then be able to type into your copy of it instead of trying to type into my copy of it. When you have, so most of these virtual labs link to another site where you will literally do a virtual lab. In this one, you'll look at a jar of pond water. And it will ask you to answer questions. You can usually type directly into the boxes. All right. And then there are some follow-up questions at the end. When you are done, you would come back to the It's Learning page to VERGE. You would answer the assignment, and you can either, like I said before, you can either scan and upload photos if you've done it by hand, or you can just come to share. Anyone with the link can view, copy the link, paste it here, and submit. Or if you choose to save yours as a PDF, you would go File, Download as a PDF. And then you would add that file either from your computer, or from Google Drive here. And then you'd submit, and then I'm able to see and grade your work, and you're done. Okay. So that's how you use those Google Docs. If you run into questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact me.